This is how to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance. That is, you did a transfer and your Trust Wallet is not showing the token balance. These are the causes and how to fix it. The first major and common issue that can happen if you are facing this problem is feasibility problem. That is, you've not imported the token. For instance, you can see this balance, and when you come under crypto, you can see this is the crypto that is involved and this is the balance. For you to import any token that you want to be feasible with its balance on your Trust Wallet, you come to this place, you tap here, you can see manage crypto, you tap manage crypto, you can see you tap that plus sign. Any token that you want to import, this is where you fill the parameters. Immediately you finish, you scroll down and you tap import. As soon as you imported the token, this is where you highlight and make the token feasible. You just tap this place. If it is for this SRP, you want to make it feasible, is the one that you just imported, you just tap this SRP. By the time you come back, immediately you will see the token and the balance here instantly. Another issue that can make you not to see the balance of your token inside the Trust Wallet or inside any wallet at all can be because you are yet to import the appropriate network or change for your token. It's the same process. You come down here, you tap this place, you tap manage crypto, you tap this plus sign. Instead of token, you select network. This is where you select the chain list. This is where you search for the network, and immediately you get the network, you select it and you choose the name of the network. Then you fill out the symbol. You search online, you'll be able to get the symbol, the node URL and the explorer URL, which is optional. You come back to this place and you'll be able to instantly see all the tokens that belongs to that network added on this list. By the time you come back, if you tap more manage crypto here, it's the same thing. You see, be able to see all the token that you've chosen enable. Look at this, the SRP I enabled the other time. Everything will be listed under here and be able to see the balance instantly. If you've done that and you can still see your token balance, another way to check and validate is to check your transaction history and check the block explorer to see if your wallet address matches the wallet address on the block explorer. You scroll down, you can see this is history. You can see this is a transaction I just did now. You see the latest transaction you've done. You tap the last one, which is the one you are looking for. Obviously you will see the transaction like this. You can check where you send the money from. This is the start and the last digit of your wallet address. That is from destination, and you will instantly know if you use the correct destination wallet address. If this one is okay, you can come down here, look at this view block explorer. This is where you tap this place. It depends on the network and chains you use when you are doing your transaction. Because I use Binance Smart Chain Network, that's why you are seeing BSCScan. If you scroll down, you can see this is what was transferred. This is the wallet address that was transferred to, and you can see this is the hash. You'll be able to see the full wallet address. If it was manipulated or not, you'll be able to see that, okay, and be assured that you actually transfer to your wallet address on Trust Wallet, and compare and contrast to be sure that the transaction you did was valid. Another thing that can happen is that maybe you've not refreshed. All you don't need to do is to tap to refresh your balance, or you close the app and open it again. Before you know it, you see your balance here. And you also check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not up and running, you will not be able to see the balance. Another thing that can happen is to clear the cache of your Trust Wallet on your mobile phone. To do that, you come to your settings, you tap app management, you select list of your app, you locate Trust Wallet, you can search, you can see this is Trust Wallet, you select Trust Wallet. Now you come to this place, look at it, storage and cache. All you need to do is to come down here to clear cache. Tap it, you clear cache, then you go back to your Trust Wallet. The last thing that can make your tokens not to show up inside your Trust Wallet could be what is called price data error. Let me show you what price data error can be. When you scroll down, like you can see the value of BTC is 0. Suppose you have 1 BTC here and you are seeing $0. That is when you have price data errors. When you see the value of crypto that is correct, maybe it is 10 BTC, and you now see the corresponding value in dollars of that token to be 0, that is what we call price data error. And that can happen because there is a connection break between your Trust Wallet and the source where the Trust Wallet is fetching the price of your token. So it's just a normal glitch that will later be updated. All you just need to do is to be patient. Your token is safe and secure. You don't need to worry. You just make sure you come back to check Trust Wallet and refresh your wallet. Before you know it, you see the corresponding value of your token in dollars. So those are the common reasons why your Trust Wallet may not be showing balance of your token. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.